Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you a few tips on how to create this look. Just give you a few tips on how to separate and fluff your curls after you've done a twist out, flat twist, a bantu knot, whatever your style is that you're doing. Just give you a few tips on how to maintain your curls and not disturb them, and you can have definition, because I know some people struggle with keeping the definition in their hair after they're taking down their style. So if you would like a few tips on that, please stay tuned. But in the meantime, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you click that button that's down there somewhere. Click that button and click the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. For all of those who are subscribed and come back week after week, thank you, welcome back in. And for those who are new, I hope you do like the video, and I hope you like me and my videos, and I hope you subscribe to this channel. Okay, so without further ado, let's just go right into the loveliness of it all. Okay, for step one, you want to make sure that your hair is completely dry. If your hair is not dry, then your hair will not have the definition that you're looking for. First of all, your hair will shrink up, and if you're in a humid place like me, I'm in Florida, wet hair will turn into a big old fuzz ball, and you will have an afro instead of having a defined look. Step two, you want to make sure you apply oil to your fingertips and to your hair. This helps prevent frizz as you're taking your twist down and helps add a little shine to the hair. So whatever your oil of choice, whether it's coconut, jojoba, grapeseed, whatever your oil of choice is, make sure you put oil on your hair, and make sure you use make sure you have some on your fingertips as you're unraveling your twist. Step three is to unravel your twist very carefully. I like to start from the bottom and work my way up to the root. You want to make sure you're taking down your style carefully and not rushing through it and not tugging at it, because you don't want to, break any of your hair off. And then if you are doing it carefully, you're going to actually prevent frizz as well. So make sure you unravel your hair extremely carefully so you won't, cause any breakage, cause any tangles or things like that. Step number four, or tip number four, you want to make sure you separate your curls where they naturally separate. And I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm going to just demonstrate it. If you just see here where my hair is naturally separating, that's where I'm separating that section in order to make that defined curl, to make it fluff out and to separate more. You don't want to separate where it doesn't naturally separate, just because that will also create frizz and that will disturb the curls. So you want to make sure you separate your hair where it naturally separates. Step five, for extra volume, and this is like a extra step that you don't necessarily have to do, but for extra volume, you want to take your pick, and some people take their fingers or take their hands, but you want to take your pick and lift the hair at the root. Do not go all the way through, because of course you will disturb the curl pattern, but you want to lift and pick at the root to create more volume. That way you have big hair. For those who like big hair, I like big hair personally, so I pick and lift, a lot. So that is a way to create volume, and you can do that as much or as little as you want, depending on how much volume you want. So that's just an extra little tip, just to kind of get some big hair going. And that's pretty much it. All right, that is it for this video. I hope you all learned some tips that will be helpful when you are taking down your styles, so you can keep the definition and have the definition that will last throughout the week. If you all have any comments, please let me know in the description box. Any comments or questions, let's have conversation in this not the description box, in the comments below. And I will try to answer all questions, have conversation, talk to you all. I like talking to you all, so please leave your comments below. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on all of my social media networks. I'll put it over here this time. Put all my social media networks, on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Again, I hope you liked it. And before you go, I'm just gonna place the last video I did, which is a product review. Put that here conveniently for you to watch. You got some time, go ahead and watch it. All right, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.